Alright guys, welcome. In this episode I want to tell you what the 24th items that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S. They are actually the tires, as you can see. They are Radar Renegade RT tires. RT, I believe it's rough terrain or a mix between mud terrain and all-terrain tires. So it's RT, rough terrain, at least that's what I think it means. But yeah, as you can see, so that is the 24th items that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport. So far, I got them back in September of 2024, and as to the making of this video, it is early June of 2025. So I would say I'm satisfied with them, very satisfied. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.